Hey everybody, as you can see, got a couple of boxes. Didn't have a very good day today. I actually had a fantastic day all the way up until later on in my day where I was basically done with my day and had to go do somebody else's day. But anyways, I'm just gonna run through these real quick. I'm pretty worn out, pretty tired, pretty pissed off at the same time, so I'm sure y'all kind of can understand that. And so I just kind of want to get this done. I thought about the possibility of not even doing these and just kind of opening them up and doing them at a later time, but what the heck. So let's see here. This is one I've been waiting on for. Oh, never mind. This is actually one that I recently purchased. So, wow. This is a Remington. It's called the Blood Groove model because of the blood groove right there that you guys see. It's on both sides. Real nice jig bone handles. Let's see here. Yeah, those are just jig bone. I think the guy had it listed as stag. Half stop on the secondary blades. So there's that guy. Sorry, I'm gonna just get through these here. So I don't know what I'm cutting into there. That didn't feel good. Popcorn. Yay, popcorn. Joy. Alrighty. Now then, this is the one. I purchased these 3 weeks ago. Couldn't believe it. And it was through USPS. It wasn't USPS's fault. It was the person I purchased it from. Purchased them from. So here's one of them. Sorry, I'm smoking at the same time. Pearl handles. Very nice pearl handles. And this one's also a whittler. See if I could get to that there. And this guy is, if I can see it here, a George Westholme. Very old knife. Come on. Uh-oh. Camera don't want to work with me here. It's too shiny. Absolutely love this blade. Did I pay a lot for it? Yes. Because it was in mint condition. Or approximately mint, but close enough. It's got a couple scratches, but otherwise barely been used. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful knife right there. I don't think I showed you guys this. Let's see here. This is the model number. It's a R6393. And there's the Remington stamp on both the blades. Made in USA. So there's that one. Oops, I got another one here. Almost was going to open another box. Almost completely forgot about this one. And here's another one. Beautiful pearl handles as well. This one was not mint, but it was pretty darn close. I just really like that blade shape. It's got a nice wedge on the back. Really nice pearl handles. Now, this one has a 7 as the stamp on all the blades. And I put it up on the forums to see if I could get any response out of anybody. And did not get any responses. Nobody knew who the maker was. I'm assuming it's Japanese because it actually looks like some sort of Japanese type letter, or possibly Chinese, but could not figure it out. Nobody knew. Absolutely gorgeous knife though. I really like that one too. And this weekend I happen to have some time. I don't know if I did show you guys my stitches or not. I'll give you guys a... I don't actually have the stitches in. I got them yanked out yesterday. Got put back to work today. That's kind of why I'm in a little bit of an upset mood. Not because I got put back to work, but for other reasons. It's kind of... I'm really not allowed to discuss it, but... So, as you can see, there's where the 2 stitches were, right there and right there. Because I was beyond the 5-hour time limit, as towards being able to go in and get a full set of stitches. But this will focus. There's the cut. It was all the way to the knuckle. It healed up pretty good. Still has a little bit of the exterior portion right there. Still needs to bond together, but not bad for a week worth of healing all the way to the knuckle. It went all the way through the yellowish tissue, I guess, is what the doctor had told me. If I saw yellowish tissue on the top, then that means that you still need stitches at that point, but it had actually gotten all the way down to the knuckle. They had to search for pieces of glass inside of the actual joint to make sure that there wasn't anything there. That was very interesting. But let's see here. I don't know if I just showed you guys my name. I don't really care anymore. Screw it. But I guess I'll find out once I check the video. So let's get all this crap out of here. Packaging. Get to this Mamma Jamma. Now you gotta love this because I'm already starting to get into a better mood. This one's got a sticker on it. Not a sticker, but some whatchamacallit, tape. Stick that right there. Now this guy, I believe, if I remember correctly, I think this one was stag. It looks like bone, but if I remember correctly, it's stag. I think this one's also stag, if I remember correctly as well. Even though it looks like jig bone, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to look those up. But here is another Remington. I actually bought this one 2 days ago. And this thing is beautiful as well. A little sluggish on the main blade. Not bad. Secondary blade. Let's see if we could get that. Made in the USA. And that one's got a nice snap. All 3 blades. Let's see if we could get the model number off of this. No model number. So that is a Stockman. And so you gotta love coming home to stuff like this. Absolutely crappy day, and I'm feeling better already. It's amazing. I don't know what this could be. And I'm getting close to my time limit. Cool little bubbles, or whatever you call this stuff. Alright. And we've got one more. Holy cow. That puppy's rusted a lot worse than it looked. And another Remington. Guess if you guys wondering why I'm buying all these Remingtons, they're all highly collectible, and they're all very high value pieces. This one, I'm not positive on this one. As towards the blade design, I can't remember. This is a swayback jack. Not positive on it. But once again, nice bone handles. Shield is pinned. Can actually get my nail underneath the edge over there a little bit. Definitely in good shape, or good shape for its age, should I say. Maybe not as much as the others, but nice knife. And let's see here, I also got one other thing the other day. Didn't do an unboxing on it, but I got the Levine's Guide to Knives and Their Values 2nd edition. Said that it had been sitting in a warehouse for many years. It looks like it's pretty well used. Not like really bad or anything, but definitely cool. So just gives you guys a bunch of different blade designs, you know, years, models, makes, all kinds of stuff. Gives you the values and the names of the companies, just like all the other ones do. Except for 5, of course. 5 doesn't give you their actual values, the 5th edition. So, all I've got left in the Levine's Guide to Knives is Volume 4, Volume 4 and Volume 1, 1st edition. So, that's about that. Thanks for watching the vid. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll give you one last shot of these guys. Let's go ahead and just close them up here. I'll give you a closed look of how well made old knives are. Good blade centering. If anybody knows what this mark is, please let me know, because nobody knows. At least not as far as I've found on research, the forums, everything. None of the guys really know. But these blades are like razor blades. Holy cow, that's really sharp. But give you a blade thickness here. There's that one. But look at how nice and tight. Just about perfect in every detail. These older knives, they just sit so well inside of there. Really like these pearl ones. The pearl ones have a very high value. They have a higher value than stag. So stag knives, I really like stag, but at the same time, I think that the pearl has more allure to it, more, I don't know, appeal to everybody that wants to buy knives out there. I personally, I like either stag or the pearl, either way. But Here's that Remington with the blood groove. And this one was that George Westholme. It's got that really nice swedge. I love this blade. And look at how well worked that is. That's just absolutely gorgeous. I love this knife. And that back swedge is actually pretty, it's not like razor sharp or anything, but it definitely feels sharp. And then there's your blade alignment. There's your blade thickness. Gorgeous knives. So, once again, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good night.